This is our new CRF 450 Rally. Team HLC developed this bike with new engine and new chassis and new plastic parts for wearing. And the concept of this bike's development are: number one is big power with good reliability, and number two is less weight, and number three will be good maintenance ability for mechanics and for riders. And finally, we achieved all the target. Now, regarding the details, this bike has 3 fuel tanks. Now, one of them is front and the others rear. And the capacity will be 35 liters. And then this is a coke. We have 3 positions: front and rear, and the front and the rear only. The rider choose each position during the rally. And this area for electric equipment, road map, and the eco, and the GPS, and the e-track system here. And then this area is switches, lots of switches here. We will do our best with this bike in Dakar for winning. Thank you.